Yesterday, the Binance ecosystem fell down a lot. The meme coins went down 40 to 50%. Guys, now, is it an opportunity? Is this buy the dip opportunity in the ecosystem, or are we moving ahead? Or we are moving ahead to the Solana ecosystem. Why? Because the ETFs are coming. Literally, ETFs are going to be coming today. There is a deadline today. We might have some buffer because of the shutdown, but this does not mean that the rotation won't happen. I'm going to answer a lot of questions today, and I'm going to be looking at the charts, showing you the levels in both Binance ecosystem as well as the Solana ecosystem. So you just need to be with me. Just one thing. It's BNB meme season, bro. It's don't fade CZ season, bro. Now, the meme coins are actually down so much, which is why you have to be picky in these narratives. And that is what we're going to do in today's video. So guys, let's go. You must have noticed I'm wearing the kurta pajama again. It's an Indian festival called Karwa Chauth, so happy Karwa Chauth to everyone who celebrates. Not gonna go into much detail because I have to talk about the markets. Now, in the last 7 days, we have seen the most amount of flows are going towards BNB chain and Solana. And this is bullish. This is why we're talking about the ecosystems, right? If you look at BNB alone, then BNB has gone up 42% in 2 weeks. Absolutely crazy. And the ecosystem tokens have gone up like crazy, as well as the metrics. So we're going to talk about all of that. But if you want to take a trade on BNB, then my suggestion would be to treat this as a bull flag and let it consolidate a little bit and come down here. So this would be a good level to look at BNB again, because it's a higher time frame support. In my opinion, the level is 1185, right? How am I gonna long it? Obviously I can long it in my account, the real account, but I'm gonna do it on Bitfunded as well. On Bitfunded, you literally have a demo account. If you pass it, you get free money. This is what I'm talking about. Forex, I've been doing this in Forex. Now I'm doing it in crypto as well. I am in touch with the team, with the founder, and they are doing a lot of good things. They've got 1-step challenge. They've got 2-step challenge. They've got everything that you need. So you can literally place a limit order. Right now, I've got 2 longs for Solana. Both are in profit. So if you need the Bitfunded link, then it's in the description below. Use my code, get discount, and let's go, because we talk about it every single day, and we need to make sure that we are passing these accounts. That is a must, obviously. Now, guys, look at some metrics on the BNB chain. BNB chain leads in 24-hour revenue as well as fees. Then BNB chain hit a record with daily gas usage surpassing 5 trillion, driven by 24 million swaps, making up to 77% of the activity. Like, this is absolutely amazing. It's killing it, right? Tokens with the strongest smart money net flow over the last 24 hours, if you see, BNB is at the top. And it has to be, it should be, because that's what people are talking about in mindshare as well. So we need to be like bullish on that. BNB chain recorded the largest supply inflows in the last 24 hours. And second was obviously Solana, but BNB has been doing really good. We can see that in the flows that we talked about. BNB is literally at the highest right now, and Solana is the second highest. So that's what's happening here. Now, there's a massive gap between social sentiment and actual on-chain revenue differences, right? And this is true. BNB's leading launchpad is still 4-5x daily rev and leading in weekly rev against Pump. So there is a lot of mismatch, and people are talking about a lot of bullish things in the BNB ecosystem, and it's not bad. It's not bad. It has gone up once. It can consolidate and come down, which is happening right now, and then it can go towards a round 2. Firstly, the BNB ecosystem, the watch list, I've created it. I can share it in the description as well, but you can take a screenshot. You can do the same thing in TradingView. The first token obviously is the BNB, the chain. Then you've got DEXs, and then you've got memes, because majority of the things in this ecosystem is meme coins. But what are the best ones? What are the best ones? The alts below in the BNB ecosystem do you think have the highest upside potential? BNB, ASTER, and Cake. So obviously you need to have the chain. You need to have 2 DEXs. We're going to chart them. Right now, Pancake Swap looks really the best in the BNB ecosystem. It's going up, it's coming down. It is using that staircase method, and it has broken out of this massive ascending triangle. Now this ascending triangle's target, if you see, then it will be calculating from here until the neckline, which is going to be 123% towards the upside, and that's $6.8, which is absolutely amazing, right? and let it come down. Let it come down. I'm not going to buy here. Obviously, I'm going to buy here. This is the level for you to trigger cake, and it's going to consolidate. If it goes towards the downside, then your stop loss gets hit. But this is the trade for me. Literally, if I put a long trade, if I put a long position at this level, then my total target, let's say $5.9, and my stop loss can be good 9%, and that's going to be a 3x leverage trade. So this is not going to be a high leverage trade for sure, right? So that's what I'm seeing on PancakeSwap. Now, there are so many things I can talk about in fundamentals as well. I can show you tweets, I can show you metrics, but I'm not going to do that. This is mostly focused on the levels that we are looking at in the Binance and the Solana ecosystem. The second one is ASTER. Everyone's talking about it. The all-time lows for ASTER is not the all-time lows, but a major support is going to be here at 1.28. Right now, it's taking a support, plus RSI is oversold. RSI is oversold. It is taking a support. It did the same thing on 1st of October. I'm not taking a trade. I am waiting for a breakout. For me, this trade will be when the breakout happens, and I'm going to take the trade over here. So this is a wait thing. Just follow my Twitter. Follow my Twitter. You're going to find everything, all the updates there. If I'm saying that I'm not taking the trade here, then I'm going to be posting everything over there. But I've already given you the levels, the limit order, the stupid limit order on PancakeSwap, right? It's easy. Now, bad thing is that we are coming towards the meme coins in the Binance ecosystem now. The first one is Giggle. Now, this is the one where CZ has been vocal as well, the educational thing they've got. It's not the main meme coin, but it's not bad actually, and the price action is looking cool. The price action is looking cool. Some more consolidation towards the upside. This is possible on Giggles. If it comes down, then it's a buy again over here at these levels. So I think that is it. That is literally it for all the tokens I'm looking at in the Binance ecosystem. First is the BNB that I'm going to do on Bitfunded. I'm not going to do on the actual account. Then the second one is PancakeSwap, which I showed you the limit order. Third is ASTER. I'm waiting for ASTER to break out, and that's going to be my trade. And the fifth is the meme coin, which I don't want to buy. I really don't want to buy, but if you want to take a bet, then why not? Now, Crypto Rovers tweet. Yes, I know it's banned somewhere in some places, but BNB paved the way. Solana is primed to follow. Literally the same chart. It's a fractal, and this is what I'm talking about. BNB went and Solana can go because of the ETFs, because of the DATs, because of the good metrics. It still remains good in terms of the metrics. Solana's TVL across applications hits a new all-time high of 42.4 bill. Absolutely amazing, right? There are metrics you can see, and plus Solana, if you look at Solana, the price action. I'm not going to show you the metrics obviously on Solana because I can literally do it on Twitter, and that's going to be a 2-minute or maybe 30-second read. So there's no point showing you all of that. You already are following me on Twitter, so that's okay. Solana chart. This is the main thing. The levels. Trend line is properly respected. I want the price to come back to this level, which is 2000. What? No, 209. 2000. Imagine one day we'll be talking about $2,000 Solana, and that's going to be pretty amazing because I'm going to be doing the video from a yacht. Then, not now. I cannot afford it right now. So yeah, Solana, if it comes down, then yes, I will add to my position. Literally, I'm in the position. You can see Bitfunded here. I'm in the position. I'm in profit as well. Now, guys, if you want to join Bitfunded with me, if you want to pass this account, maybe we fail, maybe we pass. We'll try though. Then follow the link in the description. Use the code Kapoor, obviously, and you get discount. And we might get funded, bro. We don't know. So the first token I'm going to talk about in the Solana ecosystem, which is not very good for me in terms of health. It hit my stop loss literally last week, but I'm looking at it again. I want a greedy entry this time, and the entry is at $2. I want a greedy entry, or I'm not going to buy this thing. Very simple. So moving ahead, Drift. Now, I don't want to talk much about Radium because there's no point. There's literally one price level that I'm looking at, and I already talked about it. Drift. Now, Drift is quite exciting in terms of price action, but not in terms of metrics. We were talking about it in Frontrunner's research call as well today, that how Drift's metrics are not looking good. So I don't want to buy it. People are interested in the chart, which is why I'm showing it to you guys. I would wait for this trend line and horizontal level, and I hope that this horizontal level is not broken. But because if this horizontal level is broken, then it's going to be pretty bad for drift, as it's going to come down to $0.50, which is not good at all. Pump Fun, one of the best. Not going to show you the metrics. Why? Because we always talk about the metrics on Pump Fun, but this thing is absolutely amazing. It's a beast. It's a beast because it gives you perfect entries, and the next entry I've got for Pump Fun is at 0.0049. Crazy. So that's going to be my entry on Pump Fun. I've showed you all the trades. You can go back and you can look at them. Here are some more meme coins which are doing good on Solana. Now people talk about VIF and Popcat. No, we're going to talk about useless. We are going to talk about useless because it's back to the all-time highs, literally at that point. Now what I'm waiting for is some kind of consolidation, come back to this level, give a tap, and that is going to be your buy towards the all-time high. This right here, 0.29, that is going to be my limit entry. Now this is my second limit entry in this video after Pancake Swap. So yeah, that's the trade. Very, very beautiful one. I think the stop loss can be around 8%. The entry can be a little bit more greedy, which is from the current price, it is down 20%. Yeah, I know it's greedy, but that's what I'm looking at. If the market comes down, if Bitcoin actually comes down, because Bitcoin is sitting at a crucial level. If Bitcoin comes down to the 17K level, why? Because if you look at the fib retracement, it's actually the perfect 50% level, plus EMA ribbons are also climbing up to that level. So I think that is going to be very important on daily time frame. 50% fib retracement. You've got the EMA ribbons coming out as well. So very interesting at this level, 117.5K. That is where all my altcoins are going to hit those stupid limit order levels. So guys, I gave you trades, I gave you the setups, I talked about the Binance as well as Solana ecosystem. Which one is going to win? We don't know, no one knows, we can't predict the future, but we can actually play it with proper risk management, and that is what we are doing. So guys, if you liked the video, press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you know what, let's go.